Howdy, we're Flock. We are the world's first airport networking app. This app allows you to connect with other people on your flight, chat with other people on your flight, and find events to do during layovers at airports. So how it works, let's allow my friend Rahul to enter the app on this program. He's going to fly on AA 2773, an American Airlines flight. It's going to be a lot of fun. He's going to have a blast. My name is Jerry. I'm flying the same flight, AA 2773. So I'm going to enter the website. On the website, there's a couple things we can do. First, we can go to the forum and see posts at this airport that other people have made. We can see the most popular posts have more upvotes, and so we know those are the good places to check out, either inside the airport or outside. We can upvote and downvote posts that we feel are good or bad. As we can see, nobody likes the stalls in the airport, so let's downvote that. We can also add an experience that we found. I found an activity. It took about half hour to hour, and it was less than $20. It was outside of the security. Actually, no, this one was inside the security. And it was, what's a good burger place?
Burger King.
Burger King. Burger King. At Burger King, I said the people at the front gave me my burger for free. That's something that other people would want to know about. Once we have this, let's let it fly so everyone else can see it. And as we can see it, then we now have a new post talking about our activity. So now on my screen, let's say I want to see if Rahul is willing to switch seats with me. Say, anybody willing to swap for a window seat? Let's see if Rahul can respond. So he sees this, he says, sure, but you owe me Starbucks. All right, so now I'm swapping with my friend Rahul. So the one other thing we can do is we can see the flight details. It's not popular right now, but we can normally see the flight details for our flight. You can view the location in a new tab, and you can also send that location to a friend. This will copy it to your clipboard. It looks like this flight has already taken off, but for other flights, it'll be nice to track that, and then we can send that tracking information to our friends so that they always know where we're at. And then once we're done that, we'll exit the app and we'll join Flock tomorrow. Thank you for joining us.